Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the topic time and work. Now let us start with the topic. Let us start with the first question. A does a work in 10 days and B does the same work in 15 days. In how many days they together will do the same work? Here he is telling that A does a work in 10 days and B does the same work in 15 days. In how many days together will do the same work? Means A and B together in how many days they will do the work he is asking. In how many days? Simply what we need to do is here we need to take the LCM of 10 and 15. We need to take the LCM of 10 and 15. Now here I am considering it as total. This is nothing but the LCM. LCM. What? LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. That is 30 units. 30 units. Now we got the LCM as 30 units. Now see that in how many times this 30 will comes in 10 table. 10 3s are 30 means 10 into 3. The 30 means consider it as 3 units. 3 units. Consider in 15 table when will 30 come? 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Consider it as 2 units. Now here A is 3 units, B is 2 units. Means A is doing 3 units work in one day. This is in one day. B is doing 2 units work in one day. In one day. A is doing 3 units work in one day. B is doing 2 units work in one day. Total work is 30 units. Total work is 30 units. What is this 30 means? LCM of 10 and 15. 30 is LCM of 10 and 15. We got that A does 3 units work in one day. B does 2 units work in one day. Total A plus B in how many days means A and B in one day. In one day, how much work will they do means 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 units they will do in one day. In one day, A and B will do 5 units. How many days it will take to complete the total work? That is 30 units. Total work is 30 units. Simply we need to do is 30 by total work is 30. Daily they will do 5 units. 5 ones are 5 6 are. That is 6 days. 6 days means it takes 6 days to complete the total work if they work together. Answer is 6 days. 6 days is the answer. Now let us go to the second question. Here he is telling that A can finish the work in 18 days. A can finish the work in 18 days. B can do the same work in half the time. Half the time taken by A, he is telling. Half the time taken by A means A is taking 18 days. Half of 18 means 9 days. 9 days it will take. This is 18 days. This is 9 days. Half the time means 9 days B will take. Then working together, what part of the same work they can finish in one day? In one day, both working together, A and B, how much work they will do? How much work they will do in one day? He is asking how much work they will do in one day. Now let us consider the LCM of A and B. That we will consider it as total. This total is nothing but LCM. LCM of A and B. Now here LCM of 18 and 9. 18, 9 LCM will be 18 units. 18 units. 18 units. Now consider in 18 table, when will 18 come? 18 ones are 18 means 1 unit. In 9 table, when 18 will come? 9 2s are 18, 2 units. 2 units means A does 1 unit of work in one day. In one day, 1 unit. B is doing 2 units of work in one day. Total A and B together. A and B together in one day, how much work it will do? In one day, 1 plus 2, 3 units they will do. 3 units. 3 units they will do in one day. In one day they will do 3 units. How much part of work they will do in one day, he is asking. That is, in one day they will do 3 units. Total work is 18 units. 18. How we got this 18? From here. Total work. This is total work. Total work. This is 18 units. 3 1 are 3. 3 6 are 18. That is 1 by 6th part. How much part they will do in one day? 1 by 6th part in one day they are doing. In one day they are doing 1 by 6th part. In one day they are completing 1 by 6th part of work. They will complete in one day. Let us go to third question. Next, A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days. Now 3 persons are there. A can do a piece of work in 24 days. B can do the same work in 6 days. C can do the same work in 12 days, respectively stated. Working together, they will complete the same work. Working together, they will complete the same work in. Working together, they will complete the same work. Working together means A, B, C. In how many days they will complete the work if they work together. Now first step we need to do is take the LCM of 24, 6 and 12. That is known as total work. This is nothing but total work. That is nothing but LCM. What is the LCM here? 12, 6, 24 means directly we can tell that it is 24. 24 is the LCM. 24. 24 units. Total work means 24 units. Total work is 24 units. Now consider the tables of 24. 24 ones are 24. 1 unit. 6 4s are 24. Means B will do 4 units of work in one day. 12 2 the 24. C will do 2 units of work in one day. A will do 1 unit of work in one day. B will do 4 units of work in one day. C will do 2 units of work in one day. Now A, B, C together will do 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 units of work. 7 units of work in one day. A, B, C will together will do 7 units of work in one day. Total how many days it will take to complete the work means total work is 24. 24 by 7. 24 by 24 by 7 total work. So how much it will come? 7 3s are 21. Next how much remaining? 3 will be remaining. 3 by 7 days. 3 3 by 7 days. It will take 3 by 7 days to complete the total work if ABC working together. Next we go to question number 4. A man can do a job in 15 days. His father takes 20 days. A man can do a job in 15 days. His father means F. Man can be taken as M. Father can be taken as F. Father 20 days it is taking for him to complete the same work. And his son, this man's son, how many days he is taking? 25 days he is taking to complete the same work. How long will they complete the job if they work together? Means if man, father, son together are working, how many days they will take to complete the work? Now here also simply total work we need to find. Total work. What is total work here? LCM. LCM of 15, 20, 25. LCM of 15, 20, 25. If you consider the LCM here, it will be 300. Simply you need to do the LCM here. Now LCM of 15, 20, 25. Like this you need to do the LCM in 5 table. 5 3 the 5 4 the 5 5 the. Next 5 4 the 20. 23 the 60. 6 5 the 30. 300. LCM will be 300. 300 units it is. 300 units. This is total work. Now consider in 15 table when will 300 will go. 15 20 is a 300. 20 units. 20 1 the 20 5 the 100. 15 times. 25 1 the 25. 25 2 the 50. 12 times it is. So man can do 20 units of work in one day. Father can do 15 units of work in one day. Son can do 12 units of work in one day. Man, father and son. In one day how much work they can do? 20 plus 15 that is 35. 35 plus 12 47 units they can do in one day. 47 units of work they can do in one day it is. In one day they can do 47 units. In how many days they can complete the work means total work is 300 units by 47 units. If you consider it as 47 as 50, approximately how many times? 50. 5 6 are 30 means 6 times. Remaining 3 will be there. means remaining 18. 18 means again 5 3 is a 15, approximately around 6.3. 6.3 days. 6.3 days they will take to complete the work. Approximately 6.3 days they will take to complete the total work if man, his father, and man's son will do. They will take 6.3 days to complete a piece of work. Let us consider the some other questions in the next part.